Hello everyone, today we're diving into the Elite Sports Heavy-Duty Wall Mount Punching Bag Hanger, a versatile and robust addition to your home gym setup. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this wall mount is designed to withstand powerful punches and kicks, ensuring long-lasting performance with its rust-proof surface that's easy to clean. With a stable installation system featuring 8 steel mounting bolts and a large fixture to absorb impact shock, you can trust this mount to stay securely in place during your most intense workouts. Designed with a 16-inch US standard construction method, it fits perfectly on concrete or stud walls, supporting up to 150 pounds without worry. The universal size accommodates fighters of all ages and experience levels, allowing for comfortable workouts by adjusting the height to your preference. This complete system includes all necessary mounting hardware and even features a phone mount to keep your device safe and accessible for music or tutorials. Plus, with multiple hangers for organizing your gear, from dumbbells to towels, the Elite Sports Wall Mount transforms any space into a functional gym. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.